This is the rhythm of my life, my life. Oh yeah, the rhythm of my life, 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 life.
Hello, my name is Dayanara Rodriguez and I will make a strawberry and banana milkshake. Glass, cinnamon, blender, sugar, spam, ice, milk, strawberry and banana. It is a very easy to make milkshake. You can drink at any mealtime. Cut the strawberries into slices and the bananas too. 1 spoonful of sugar. I use the amount of milk and ice that I consider convenient. I add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Now that I have all the ingredients ready, I proceed to blend all the ingredients. And now my milkshake is ready. And remember that we are what we eat. Bye bye.
Charlie, my girl, come flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Wind up, mama.